Everyone is going to be here soon. Sunday fun day. What am I going to make? Begin by placing your butter in a 10-inch cast iron skillet. Then combine your buttermilk and your eggs. If you don't have buttermilk, you can use 2 cups of regular whole white milk with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Be sure to let that mixture set for at least 10 minutes before combining with your dry ingredients. Combine the wet and the dry mixture together slowly. Then pour it into your skillet. Add a handful of cooked chopped crispy bacon. And finally, pour 1 cup of whipping cream very slowly into the middle of the skillet. Then load into your CSO on the wire rack, level 2. Set to convection humid mode, 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Now you can enjoy this sweet and savory, delicious bacon brunch cake. Add a little extra bacon and maple syrup when serving. This pairs well with coffee, tea, milk, even a little bourbon or sparkly. Enjoy!
Well, that was easy and it's delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's culinary adventure. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. I'm Eva, the Steam Oven Diva.